tulikuwa na good first half, a very very good first half where we dominated proceedings on the ball na off the ball, but second half tumeanza tukiwa chini na that's how AFC wame come up na wakapata an equalizer na wakapata another goal.
My reaction was not good, but I ate injustice, and it's the second time it happened to us. So I told the guy at the halftime to stay quiet, to keep playing, because we would have opportunities, and that's what happened. We made a very good second half. I will not comment the decision of the referee in second half, but it's like that. It is part of the game.
Kiangalia vizuri, hata mkiangalia kwa video afterwards tunaweza pata penalty yenye wamepewa, defender wetu amegusa ball, but referee ameingia kwa box ya mafans akawapea penalty. Then the same incident imehappen kwetu, a very very clear penalty, ref hajapeana, so ina demoralize even players. Juu muna work a lot of muna invest time yenu kama wachezaji, muna invest energy the whole week kwa training, but unapata games ina decidiwa na referees, which is not good.